My name's Eugenia and I'm an apprentice at ITV Wales.
Enw fi ydi Sara a dwi'n bod yn gweithio efo ITV Cymru.
My name's Connor Morgans. I've been working for BBC Radio Wales.
I'm Harry and I've been working with Casualty and Doctor Who.
I'm Holly Miles and I've been working with Ffarwel.
Enw fi ydi Gwenno a dwi'n bod yn gweithio yn Byd Cymru.
I'm Ben Cooper and I work for the London Cafe.
Enw i Alan Thomas, a rydw i bod yn gweithio mewn Roadblock, Cardiff Bay, mewn Wolverhampton.
I'm Joe Thompson, I've been working for BBC Sport Wales.
I'm Tia Lewis and I work for the BBC as a junior designer.
I'm Anna and I've been working with BBC doing the unscripted apprenticeship.
I'm Sam Cook and I've been working with Cardiff TV.
I'm Troy Lewin and I'm an apprentice with BBC Sport Wales.
My name's Dale Williams, I've been working at BBC Wales.
Ben Dan, fi dwi'n gweithio yn Venus Effects, very special effects.
I'm Amy, I've been working with the BBC doing costume apprenticeship.
The best thing would be working across all the different outputs and programmes at Radio Wales.
Y gorau fi oedd gweithio ar amryw o gynulliadau a gallu deithio i wahanol lefydd o Llundain a Manceinion.
Working on projects and actually seeing them go live.
I've grown up loving sports, actually being part of it. It's just like a dream come true.
Just seeing all the expertise that happen in the field.
For me, it was probably just interviewing a wide range of cool people. People like Joanne Griffin, Shirley Bassey, Reece Evans. Just getting to grips with how the industry works.
Gweithio yn uniongyrchol a datblygu platform Instagram newyddion.
Mae pawb wedi bod yn just fantastic.
I really enjoyed camera and editing training.
For me the best thing is being around people who are just constantly top of their game.
The best thing has been just being fully immersed in the whole industry.
Gorau fi blwyddyn yma oedd bod enw fi yn y crefydd sadwrn rhagor.
I've been lucky, I've been able to work with lots of different departments.
The workplace is definitely the best bit because you get to learn on the job and you get really thrown into it.
The best thing for me has been being able to work on podcasts.
Dwi wedi bod yn ffodus i gael cynnig cytundeb am 4 mis yn y blwm.
I was recently given a year's contract after my apprenticeship finishes.
Getting a job in production.
Started applying for jobs last week and then carry on until something comes up.
Probably ysfecs i gyd os fi'n Caroline ar gwaith caled yn y swyddfa na i fi. I'm either going to stay on with the luck in the role that I'm currently doing, or I'm going to try and open my own business doing pixel fixing.
I'm going out into sort of the freelance group.
Just to get agency represented, so I can kind of further my career in presenting.
I think staying within the industry, hopefully staying with BBC Sport Wales.
Byddai'n dechrau efo Hansh Ysbrydorach yn apps fi na digital journalism.
To apply for a few jobs now in the next couple of months towards the end of the apprenticeship in costume.
Dwi'n gobeithio i aros gyda BBC.
I'd really like to stay in the radio sector and department.
I'd really love to sort of be involved with documentary TV in some way.